Good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 10 Electromagnetism. Within this electromagnetism, next topic is magnetic force due to current carrying wire. A wire, I have taken this particular wire, in which is connected to what? A battery consisting of a tap key. When I am connecting and switching on the key, current starts flowing from high potential to low potential. As the current is flowing through this particular wire of length, if it is placed in external magnetic field of length L, there will be a experiencing of one force. That force is called as magnetic force. How this particular magnetic force will be acting? This magnetic force is nothing but what? Force of attraction or repulsion arises between electrically charged particles. Through this particular wire, charged particles are moving. What is called as electric current? Rate of flow of charges. The charges which are in motion through a wire, per certain unit time interval is called as electric current. Therefore, this wire is having a group of charges, and those charges are attaining either force of attraction or repulsion arises between them, which are electrically charged particle, allowing that particular particle to move from one position to another position. Here, each and every charged particle and what? Negatively charged particle. Negative charge, what happens? Then negative charge means what? Like charges repulse each other, unlike charges attracts each other. Based upon the particular two laws, charges will be moving through this particular wire. It is called as what? One force is experienced when I am placing that particular wire in external magnetic field. That the magnetic field which is acting upon this particular wire will be exactly perpendicular. As this magnetic field is acting exactly perpendicular on the wire, it experiences a force. That force is nothing but what? Either force of attraction or repulsion, which arises within electrically charged particles. Allow that particular charged particles to attain motion. That is nothing but what? Magnetic force. This magnetic force is an effect of what? Attraction of magnetic effects will be there. That means what? Attraction of some other substances, magnetic material there. Electromagnetic, if you take it up an example, already in previous class I have said for you clearly, electromagnets. They will be using what? Propelling to lift a heavy material from one point to another place. It consisting of a magnet, electromagnet. Even current is flowing through the particular wire, it attains magnetic properties so that it can attract particular heavyweight metal substances, and it can be lifted from one place and placed at some other place also. That is electromagnetic effects thing. Similarly, electric motors, running of electric motors, fan, refrigerator, TV, etc. So on, mixer, etc. So on, grinder, everything will be running about what? Which consisting of to lift the water from the well. Electric motor will be playing a vital role. As we are switching on the key, the magnetic field around the particular coil will be existing. It experiencing force, allow the particular water to move away from the well. It can drag the water by means of one force. That force is called as magnetic force. This magnetic force exists upon mainly it existing about what? In stationary charges also they can be existing, as we are considering about current carrying wire. Therefore, through moving charges also they can be exist. When a current carrying wire produces magnetic field lines, if it is kept in magnetic field lines, when current carrying wire, if it is kept in magnetic field lines, then what happens there? Electric charges attain motion will be experiencing by one force. That force is called as what? Magnetic force. The charge particles are moving in motion, they will be experiencing by one force. What is that force called as here? Force called as nothing but what? Magnetic force, we can call it up. As the magnetic force is acting upon the wire, what happens in itself? The wire attains sudden bend nature. It attains sudden bend nature, it will be attaining there itself. So that due to experiencing of the force, the wire through which charge particles are moving, will be experiencing force. That force can be given as nothing but what? Each and every charge will be experiencing force. Already we have seen in previous activity there. Each and every charge particle will be experiencing force. That force is equal to what? F is equal to QB. F is equal to QB, where Q represents nothing but what? Charge particle. V represent what? Speed of repulsion charge particle. B represent what? Magnetic field, magnetic flux density. We can give it up. Depending upon these three factors, magnetic force experiencing by a charge particle, it will be existing. But here, group of charge particles are existing there. There were total charges in this particular wire whose length is equal to, whose length is placed in external magnetic field is how much? How much length it is? L length. The number of charge particles existing within the magnetic field be as what? Q, whose length is equal to L, equal to that of the effect of magnetic field in which we are placing it up. Therefore, what happened there? Total charges how much there? Q have taken the number of charges be as what? Some number of charges are there. Q represent what? Total number of charges. Therefore, total charges in a wire, then force experiencing by this particular wire will be equal to F is equal to Q, V, B, we can give it a Q, V, B, where Q is called as total charges existing within the length of this particular wire whose length is equal to L, as well as V represent what? Total velocity of the particular charge flow. B represent what? Magnetic field, flux density, we can give it up there, where V is nothing but what? Total charge particles moving per certain time interval there itself. Therefore, velocity of total charge particle is nothing but what? Total displacement per time interval. How much distance it is there? The distance is what? This much distance each and every charge particle, flow of charge particles are traveling there. Therefore, displacement per time interval, the displacement length is equal to how much? Capital L. Time interval is equal to how much? T we have taken there. V is equal to L by T. Substitute this particular L by T within this particular place of V. Then what happens there? F is equal to Q into L by T into B. But we know that Q by T is equal to nothing but what? Electric current. It is nothing but what? Electric current. Means what? Rate of flow of charges per time interval we are taking it up. Therefore, Q by T is equal to what? I can place it up. Therefore, Q by T is equal to I. L, B, already Q by T is equal to what? I have kept it up. Next one is what? L. Next one is what? B. Therefore, the force is equal to, force is depending upon three different factors on current carrying wire. One is rate of flow of charges per time interval, length of the wire, how much it is placed in magnetic flux density, then similarly magnetic flux density. Depending upon these three factors, what happens there? Current carrying wire will be experiencing force. Therefore, if this particular wire is rotating from the angle theta from the center of one axis, if it is rotating around angle theta, then is equal to what? F is equal to ILB into sine theta will be there. This would be the formula where this wire is placing exactly perpendicular to the magnetic field, exactly perpendicular to the magnetic field. If I am keeping this particular wire exactly parallel to the magnetic field density or magnetic flux density, then how much the theta angle will be equal to 0. Therefore, sin 0 is equal to how much? 0. Therefore, F into ILB sin 0, it becomes sin 0 is equal to how much there? 0. 0 into something is equal to what? 0. Therefore, net force will be equal to 0. There won't be existing any force on that particular wire. That is regarding when it is placed exactly parallel to the magnetic flux density or magnetic field. When I am placing along the direction of magnetic field, what happens there itself? Magnetic force exerting on the particular body will be equal to 0. Why it will be equal to 0? Why means charged particles are exactly parallel to the magnetic flux density. If they are parallel to the magnetic flux density, doesn't exist any force. Means what? Magnetic force is moving in this direction. If a wire is also placed in that direction only, in which charged particles are existing. These charged particles are also taking motion in the direction only. Magnetic flux is also existing. Magnetic field is also existing in the same direction. Therefore, what happens? These charged particles doesn't experience any force. If these charged particles are not experiencing any force, then theta value will be equal to 0. That means no force will be experiencing. Therefore, total value ILB sin theta will be equal to theta is 0. Sin 0 will become total value will be equal to 0. Therefore, F is equal to 0. It will be there. That is when it is placed along the axis of in which direction the magnetic field is acting. Other than the direction, if I am placing a magnetic wire exactly perpendicular to the magnetic field, then it can be an experienced force. Each charge force is this much. Total charge force is QVB, we can give it up. But V is equal to nothing but what? Velocity. Time interval. Time taken means what? Time is equal to V by L. Means what? Velocity per displacement. Velocity per displacement. Displacement per velocity, we can give it up. Therefore, what happens there? It's a displacement by velocity, we can take it up. Then take it up, then it's down and bring it down. V is equal to L by T. Therefore, total velocity is nothing but displacement per time interval. If we substituting with that one, F is equal to ILB is the force exerting when it is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. If it is rotating, we will get one formula. What is that formula? ILB sin theta. By this we have completed our topic called as magnetic force due to current carrying wire. Try to analyze this topic clearly so that you can gain knowledge. Thank you, children.